Hi, how was your day? How was your holiday? I wish you have a holiday in a good way. So, let me introduce myself, okay? My name is Amananda Balkis, so you can call me Balkis. Today, I want to give you something new because today I will discuss about this film you guys maybe know. The title is Encanto. You guys know? No, no. You don't know? It's okay. I will explain it to you every details. Karena gak cuman dari segi ceritanya, tapi kita akan bahas juga, kita akan mengulik ada multikultural isu apa aja sih di film ini. Well, aku bakal ceritain dulu dari storynya ya. So, The Encanto ini is an animated film produced by Walt Disney Animations. Setnya juga di Magical Village, Colombia, ya kan? So the film centers on the Madrigal's family in which every member possess as the magical gift except Mirabel. In this family, personal value is divided by Magical's ability, causing Mirabel to feel marginalized despite her efforts to protect their family unity. So from the films, I observed the strongest multicultural issue related to collectivist cultures, the family expectations, and also social role pressure. Each member of the Madrigal family carries a specific responsibility to maintain the family reputations, while the Mirabel is excluded due to her lack of the magic. Characters such as Luisa, Isabella, its expressions, emotional distress as the result of the rigid cultural rules imposed of them. Well, these observations connect to the broader social issue concerning how the culture and tradition shape individual identity, while in collectivist cultures, the group harmony and the family interested, and also often prioritize it over the personal needs. So, as a result, while individuals may be the struggle to express their authentic selves, as shown through the experience of the Madrigal family's family member. So to analyze this issue, of course, karena kita tahu nih isunya seperti apa, berarti kita perlu juga nih teori dasarnya. Jadi nggak cuman embel-embel jelasin aja nih isunya ada apa aja. Aku kasih tahu teori apa aja yang aku pakai. So, I apply Hofstede's cultural dimension theory and Swarthoff cultural. Jadi ada dua dasar teori yang aku pakai, yaitu Hofstede's dan juga Swarthoff. So, Hofstede's kayak explain that its collective culture's personal value is measured through contribution to the group. Meanwhile, Hall argued that identity is not fixed by constantly evolving. Through this perspective, Encanto reveals how rigid cultural expectations can create psychological pressure and identity conflict. From my perspective, you guys asking, Encanto functions not only as a family-oriented film but also as the critical of cultural systems that practices function over emotional well-being. So the film encourages audience to reflect on how the family's expectation in the real life can limit the personal's growth, while the particularly within multicultural context. For the key lessons conveyed by Encanto is that culture that traditional should provide support rather than constraints, individual identity deserves recognition beyond the perfection and productivity. The true Mirabel's journey, the films show that empathy and emotional understanding are essentials in building inclusive family and society. Jadi nggak cuman dari segi Mirabelnya aja nih guys, kalian juga harus perlu diingatkan bahwa gak cuman Mirabel nih yang tersulitkan dalam kondisi dia yang sekarang yang nggak punya kekuatan, tapi dibalik itu semua itu kakak-kakaknya ada kok yang punya kekuatan tapi masa kesulitan. Jadi kalian bisa ambil dari kesimpulan besarnya kan kalau ini tuh nggak semua nggak seharusnya kita memojokkan orang yang nggak punya kekuatan atau merasa dia tuh dikucilkan. So I guess you guys already know. Terima kasih udah mau mau nontonin. Nah, I'm just kidding. Makasih atas perhatiannya guys semuanya. Semoga ilmunya nyampe ke kalian semua. Bye bye. Mwah.